Hi, I'm Doug, your tech support representative for Atlantic British. In this video, we're going to introduce you to the air filter replacement kit for your 1999 to 2004 Discovery 2 with your Bosch 4-liter or 4.6 engine. This is part of our Repair and Maintenance Academy, and you will find in our downloadable and printable list that you can get from our website. This will be kit number D, part number ESR 4238. What will be included is an air filter equivalent to original equipment. Now, as just a quick note, this is a wearable item. They are recommended to be changed every 30,000 miles. If you are in an area where high dust, dusty roads, you do some more off-roading, you probably want to change them even more often. Changing an air filter can make a huge difference in the performance of your vehicle and your fuel economy, so it's something you would definitely want to consider. Now in a minute we'll show you how to install this. Okay, so now you've seen the kit that we offer, which is our air filter. We're going to show you how to replace this. This is on your Discovery 2 with the Bosch engine. Air filter sits directly under this box, and this is on the driver's side front corner. And it's nothing more than 4 clips. You have 2 here that connect you to your intake tube. You're going to unclip and fold back. There's another right here on top. Simply push the tab away from the box, that'll release, and then the bottom clip you'll reach under, lift, and release. Same style clip as what you have on the intakes. And just simply give a little wiggle up and down. This is on an accordion so that you can actually move this back. You'll fold this up, and now you have access to your air filter. And we can see this is normal. This is after about 10 to 14,000 miles. You can see you got a fair amount of dirt buildup and whatnot. And all that dust and all that dirt will create a restriction that will affect both your engine performance and your fuel economy. So you want to keep a clean filter in there. Definitely do this on a regular basis. And again, if you're in a dry or dusty area, you definitely want to do it even more than the recommended time frame. So again, to reinstall, we're going to save that for another vehicle. Pop the filter in, run your finger all the way down and make sure that the gasket is seated down inside the box. And start from upright. You have 2 hook clasps right here that are going to grab underneath these 2 arms. You're going to be up, clip in, make sure you move your plastic vent line out of the way. Now again, be very careful with this plastic vent line. If you have an older vehicle and haven't replaced this, these get very brittle and they have a tendency to snap at different areas, so you want to be very careful working around that plastic line. Slide your air tube back in place, grab and clamp, top clamp up top, and just bring that tab forward, and then your lower clamp down here, simply set in place, push down, locked in, and now you've changed your air filter. So again, when you're ready to do this on your Disco 2, give a call to any of our knowledgeable salesmen at 1-800-533-2210. They'll be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching.